Morning, everyone. Give me 1 second. I'm looking for a chord. All right, happy St. Patrick's Day to all you Irish fools. How you doing? All my brethren and sisterin. Okay, I just passed an eval. It's a 218 and 218 and 220.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, on the 10 range, I've got a leg sweep. No fills.
Order canceled.
Lucky sevens. All right. Now, let's take a look at the bigger picture. Yo. Ah, perfect. So I wanna show it in a different way today. Because there's a bunch of you that are new here, and I want to show you something that works really, really well. Okay. And it's available. I do believe we have, I don't want to say that we have it and we can give it to everyone. I believe that it is for distribution, but we'll have to confirm on that. Contact at sageft.com if you're interested. It's not for sale or anything like that. It's our Joey indicator, okay? And there's a mathematical formula, blah, 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 and it's never wrong, okay? Now, what I mean by that is, if we're going to hold these spreads, okay, this is the daily chart. If we're going to hold these white lines, it goes back to the scene of the crime, which is the yellow line here, yellow tape, okay? Just think of yellow tape. So that is right around 6959. If we're going to fail through these lines, I believe we go straight to the scene of the crime. 6269. All right, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hello. Hi, my name is. Now, the only thing I see right here is that is bad. Not good, but bad. You know, people are like, oh, look, they engulfed it. Is the engulfment. Do they test that one more time before they rip it higher, or is this all just going to turn around? So now we have to go down another side to the hourly. What are they starting to do? Well, they're starting to turn everything up. Okay, we have major resistance on the hourly at around 85. Lock in around 85. Joey, are you seeing what I'm putting on here? Tyson knows what this. Tyson, how do you interpret this 1-hour chart? Joey, talk to me about the 1 hour. Now, ladies and gentlemen, over in the Discord, you're going to see Tyson and Joey and G-Man talking about this all day long. Here's the Discord link. Okay, free. Joey created this math. All right. If he wants to share it with you, he can share it with you. If not, just understand it's all computated for you, but there's things that you have to understand as to why it's there. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, it's never wrong. Okay? I didn't get filled anywhere. I didn't feel like just pushing the button. I didn't feel like just biting the pillow, so to speak, if I will. 79.25 was my hard target. It's okay that I didn't hit it, though, because it looked like it was rolling over right about here. Now, on the 1-hour chart, major resistance right above us. Right above us. I'm super green. Well, they're pushing through the external liquidity on the 1 hour. Where does it? I mean, look, I see the high to high. You guys are fools. Come on, you got jokes. Get your magic crayon out. Eight, just above 80 right now. Now, what I want to point out, look at your delta. Okay, that's okay. So what that means is the locals got it right today, right? So the locals are they're going to come into the market 16 minutes into the market. And they're going to be beating their chest. And they're going to own inventory, right? So now here's the deal. If we're looking at it this way, they own inventory. What do they do with the inventory? Do they hold it or sell it? That's what we're going to watch. We're going to see it in your delta. Sage FT. It's in the trade.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart. Why am I not hearing it? Why? Hold on a second. Why? Had it in the damn microphone thing. Come on. I can't see under there. Do I got it in the right one? Ha! Dumbass. Straits of Hormuz. I love how everyone is now a professional on the Straits of Hormuz. Are you guys enjoying that? Morning, Robert. Ebert. Robert. Isn't it great? I mean, if we ever need to know anything, you can just find out on the internet, and it doesn't have to be credible. No, I just look up like, what are these dipshits on Twitter talking about, right? Like, yeah, you know, if they just walk the oil, that they could just put the oil in their mouth and they can walk it over the hump over there, and then they could just spit it out. Come on, you dumb shits. Our code, no, just let everyone know, our code no longer works with Take Profit Trader, unfortunately. They got rid of most of their affiliates. I wish you luck if you're going to continue to use it. I think it's a great firm. But they're going to align their something with their somethings, and it's not aligning with me, which is fine. They said it has nothing to do with revenue generation or anything like that. So, well, hey, good on them, and cheers. All right, here comes your resistance point.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Why is it, Elijah? How come I can't hear it in my headphones? Can we fix that? Can't hear the beat in my headphones, man. Turn it up. Turn it up, bro. Okay, I hear it, man. Is there something that I have to put on meter?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
That is not. It has to get through here first, everybody.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh, I see it.
Order submitted.
Okay, I got it. I am smart.
Order canceled.
Do you guys still hear the orders?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
You should still hear them. Let's go. I did it. I'm smart. Okay. Your delta's starting to wane just a little bit. We got 7 minutes till the opening bell. Price is starting to wane. You start to get a dead windsock on the 15, like on a 15-second chart, or something smaller. Look at where we're at here. Look at price. This is the third, fourth time that we've come up to this block, right? And we've failed this block. So we're going to go 85 to 11, or 85 to 12, whatever number you want to use. There's a lot of external liquidity, okay, from 61 to 88. 85 is the over-under for me. Right there. Says it right here. 85. This, folks, if you're wondering what kind of math, don't worry about it. Okay? Don't worry about it. Just look at, here's what it is. Here's a yellow line. Okay, it goes out this far, and then it goes out here. Okay? Here's a yellow line. So it goes here, and it goes here. Okay? So just, it doesn't matter. To be real honest with you, what you just want to know is you're looking at the spreads and how they're related to the yellow lines, right? And so if you can see how they're bracketed, right? And so now what happens is they have to push to this bracket, which is fine. We just need something to tell us to go. It says stay long. Solana looks juicy. I'm bunched up in Solana more than Bitcoin, guys. So if we were to pop hard, 112.65. Okay, very, very simple. And yes, 78.34 would be a running long target. Abso-frickin-lutely. If you're wondering what I would say, yes. But on the Yang, 52.03, if I believe 78.34, you must believe both sides. Right? We are holding. Here's the deal: we're holding 78.25, 67. 28.25 and 66.55. Look at these levels. Okay, boom. Bart is still absolutely, yeah. Now think about it. It could just make another little sprig of hair for him, bloop, and then come back down. We could go right to this yellow line. And come right back down because your fan is down. Look, no matter what these moving averages are, it doesn't even matter. We hit the 200, and either we're going to go off of it or we're gonna go through it. Right? We're either going to draw on it or we're going to run it. One or the other. I don't know which one. I'm going to wait for my fractal to play out. I'm going to wait for my pattern. What I would like to see is some sort of like a perfect short would be exhaustion. Okay, and then flat, and then yellow on the 10 range, and then yellow, pink, or blue on the 1 minute without it stretching, without it being too large, right? Okay, the sequence that's in the video. Okay, I showed you where it fails, which was really, really cool that you can see it. I was in the trade and I didn't move my stop up, and the ad took a beating. Thanks for playing. Come again. Come again. We have no resistance till 68.60. Wow. If this level breaks that we're at currently, we're going to need to see a lot of volume on one side to figure out. We got about 1 minute to figure it out. We want to see a lot of volume on one direction. Tickets sold. Yeah, Elijah. Look, Elijah's getting pretty dang good at the animations. What do you guys think? He's going to be a little bit too expensive for me here shortly. We're above yesterday's high. We're still narrow range. We're outside the Keltner channels. We've got 30 points left, 25 points left of range expansion before we pop outside. 40 points before we pop outside range expansion. Roughly 40, right? 36. Everything is tending and trending to the upside. 5 minute curved nicely to the upside on your PV 200 price VWAP 200 SMA. Nothing to be secretive about, just how we have it named because it's easier that way, right? So that would be the middle chart you see there on the deuce and the bottom chart on the 5. Here we go, we're open. Oh, gave a 2 minute buy right on the opening bell. There's your 1R. Look at that. Look how quick that worked. Leg sweep worked perfect. Everything was perfect. It almost hit the stop and then came right back up. Look at how perfect all that is. Mm-hmm. Those videos are getting traction, guys. Thank you for sharing them. It's greatly appreciated when you share them. We're really getting some traction because you guys are awesome. Where's my signals? Good Lord. If you're long on the 2 minute, I didn't hear it in my ears. Why did I not hear that in my ears? I hear the orders. I should hear the ninja. Hmm. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm turning the lights off. Hold on. There you go. Oh, that's so much better. All right, you got buyers up here. See if they sell into it or they own it. Go ahead, Elijah. Yeah, guys, we're getting some real good traction with those Sunday night review and rev up. Here's the deal: we haven't missed on the what is it called, on the forward looking analysis, right? We haven't missed yet. We can't miss. Why would we miss?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Are you guys hearing the 2-minute blue? Why am I not hearing the 2-minute blue? Is there something that I'm missing here? Blue 2. Okay, it's on.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
With the leg on the 1 minute, I'm doing it with one contract. I'm doing it light. And I am long the 2-minute long, because there's a 5-minute long right there with us too. Just worried that it could be exhaustion, so I'm staying light here. Light and nimble. They're leaning. Come on. Buy it. Let's go, Delta. One thing to think about, Tyson, with the Delta is it just because it's going in a direction doesn't mean that that price is gonna go in that direction. That's the one thing you have to think about. It doesn't have to go in that direction. That's so that's the point of it. Why or why not is it going with or without? 80, 50 for the sweep. Or OO's, spot 50 for the sweep. Come on. There we go.
Target filled.
I want to remind everyone, I'm on the June contract. I forgot to tell you. We got a 1350 target.
Order submitted.
$95.50 add order on the 5-minute chart. For myself personally. 1350 target. You've got 11, 8, you've got 11. Excuse me. You've got 1350, you've got 6 target. You've got 11, 8, 1875 target. You've got 1350 target, you've got a 25 target. You guys see all the targets here? Like, how many targets do you guys see to the downside? How many of you guys are trying to short this? How many of you guys are trying to call the top? How many of you are getting your teeth kicked in and day out trying to call the top? Okay, even if this trade loses, it's long only, and then any point that you have an add order is where you're looking to get in on any one of these time frames. Now you got a buy order on the 1 minute at the highs. Yo.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Look at, there's 1,000 at 9. There's 1,000 at 9, and we're in front of them. Let's go. We're in front of them. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. Perfect. Go, go, go. 2-tick Nick. Really? That had to have been like an algo, like a. If you think about it, all the market makers are algos now, right? There's no reason for the guy to try to trade it. Who tick Nickels? Come on. There's a seller coming in the 6s. Let's get rid of him. Thank you, Robert.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I'm just trying to hear him in my headphones, guys. Martin, do you have any idea why we don't hear the paint bars? They're all on correctly. Let me see. No, because we wouldn't hear orders. I'm in June. I've got 09 and 1350 for the targets. We have another long on the 5 minute. Oh, sweet mercy. Thank you. Thank you for your sticky contract. Now go up. This guy's trying to sell up here. He needs to kick rocks. Mm-hmm. Good. Organics. Good. Good. Yeah, it isn't. I know. Yeah, hearing the orders. It just, I think Ninja just needs to be reset. But resetting it in a trade just to hear sounds isn't going to work for me. We're starting to fail a little bit here. Let's see if this seller holds in true. He's leaning at twos. Got ad orders in.
Order submitted.
Right, your over under is 4. $97 and 04, Cam. I know. You're telling me. When here's the deal. When I'm done with this trade, absolutely, right? When we hit 1350, I'll restart the trade. I'll restart the alerts. I'll restart Ninja Trader. If there was snow, I'll go jump in the snow, right? Let's go. Let's roll. Let's roll. Come on, 1350. Do your thing. Like chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. You got 16, 25, 25, 75 above. 25.75 above. You got 16.25 up there. That's that. It's a big move. This is a big deal. Mm-hmm. Because you've got the scene of the crime at 12.75. Yes, indeedy, sweetie. Now remember, we made it through the 85. Was it? That was a big deal. Yeah, around 80, 81 to 85, whatever number you guys want. Yeah. Whatever your fat crayon says. Your big fat purple crayon. Come on, push. Romance. So Tyson, see how they're selling the delta? See how the delta is going down? All that means is someone is trading on the bid more than they're trading on the offer at this time. Net delta, right? The change in which they're buying or on the offer or selling on the delta. So what you're looking at is in direct relation to what you see on your DOM. Now, this is kind of tricky. It's a trifecta, right? You have your tape, your CVD, and your DOM. Your CVD is just kind of telling you whether they're hitting the bid or the offer more. That's the easiest way for me to explain it. You want to get into how I see it? Well, that's going to take an hour or two. We could talk about it for an hour or two. I wouldn't mind. Because the way that I see it, I believe is different than other people, but it makes a lot of sense once you understand it. Oh, yeah. Today is the day you are allowed to spam Team Green. Happy frickin' Thanksgiving. Oh, I should have worn my Joe Biden shirt. Oh, man. Yeah, Nick, let's go. Team Green. If you want to be a part of Team Green, you go ahead and hit that $sign. If you can't hit the $sign, okay, go out, and you're on an iPad or an Apple. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go into the browser and turn it on. And turn the website, turn the stream on, and then you can join us. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. I did get two-tick-nicked. I do still believe we could make it here as long as we don't get a huge roller coaster, two-step lower. Let's go. Yeah, members, you can also send random memberships to people. Robert, welcome to Team Green. Yeah, oh yeah. And you can send bunches of them. You can send 50 of them, 20 of them. Guys, here's the deal. When you hit a big score, okay, you know what to do. Gift the memberships. There's lots of things you can do with the $sign. It's fun. And it supports families in Africa. A family in Africa. Let's go. Literally. Literally. Like, I'm not even being silly about that. Like when you tip the dealer, it supports the family in Africa. I don't think he's skinny. I don't think he's like malnourished though. So I don't feel needy for him. Don't feel. Speaking of St. Patrick's Day.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Oh, yellow bar, 10 range chart. I heard it that time, guys. And it's right on my dang. Oh no. Everything says stay long, and it's giving me a yellow. Did you guys hear it that time? I heard yellow.
Connection lost.
I just heard yellow bar 10 range chart, and that sucks because it's against my trade here. But it does allow me to get my ad orders in. Yeah, welcome, Rob. Mr. Rob. Rob's here every day, guys. Your 10 range is sell. Target is 98, whatever that says, 98. Who would have known 98 was the low? A lot of volume right down there. Holy moly. A lot of sell volume. $97.25 is leg sweep on blue.
Order submitted.
5 minute.
Order canceled.
Oh, what the hell? 22. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, 675. Is that the target? 675. Okay, and it added at what? 725? Good, 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 good. Where did it add? $95.50. Okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
It just killed all my orders. Oh no. Why did it kill all my orders? Oh no. Why does Ninja Trader do that? Why does Ninja Trader do that? Oh no. Um
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Best fill is 95.50, second is 97.25. Top 3765. They're gonna have to beat 01 to 04. Final boss 0104 for the longs. If not, we go 7 to 88. Ibity. That's all, folks. You can see it right on the chart. 0104. That's where they sunk their teeth in to the late longs, right? Look at your 1 minute. That's a sell down to 96. But that will be the headwind anyway. Late shorts will get trapped if it pops above 00s, 01s. Or they're going to sink their teeth into it and enjoy some juice. Delta is dripping lower.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Okay. Might work my way out of this if it doesn't go here. They got to trap these early bar sellers, otherwise they're going to eventually take control here. Because now you have another sell in the 10 range and the 1 minute at the same time. But it's right on my 5 minute leg sweep. Which one do you think I'm going to do? Come on now. Come on now. Get through 0104. Get through 0104. Ooh, they're about to leg sweep that 4 range again. Look at that, 99.75, and you could be taking profit right there. Oofta, oofta. We are at VPOC. Shakur. Tyson, I have 2 hours worth of inventory for you on Delta and order flow and tape. I can come up with a pretty good curriculum of it and show you some pretty damn good business. Absolutely, I could like a whole full session. You know what I mean? Not like I charge you for 2 full hours. It's just we could do a whole session on just Delta. See how the Delta's bleeding and price is but is not. I mean, we're at the top. Like they're they're leaning into the bid. I need to get out. or they're taking all the inventory and they're going to shove it right up somebody's culo here in just a second, right? So where is the delta? Yeah, right here. Look at it, just down, 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 down. But price is not, right? It's just they're leaning into the bid. Price is going down, but not crazily. All right, contagion is starting to spread into the 1 minute. 2 minute. Oh boy. I need a bounce. I need a bounce. Come on. Mickey Mouse bounce house. I was supposed to get out. Lame.
Order submitted.
Okay, we might have a sell here on the 2 minute.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order submitted.
I should have paid attention. The yellow bar sparked it all at 01. All at 01. And the contagion confirmed at 96s. All right, so now we got a long time till the 5 minute can catch up. Coming back into the yesterday's high. Starting to nibble there, aren't they? A lot of business being transacted down here in relation to earlier.
Order submitted.
Okay, I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it on the 2 minute that time. I didn't hear blue. I did hear pink.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
81.25. Looking for 81.25. They're leaning. Look at your delta. Holy shit! I should have covered way earlier into the delta slide. Look at just moving straight, easy. That's okay though. We can't catch them all perfectly. Delta's still sliding, guys. Delta's still sliding. They're still leaning into the bid.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh, I was trying to move the thing down before I couldn't get another trade on. I was trying to add. Look at how dumped. Look at it dumping, right? This might be a Topperton. It's Toppertino, right? Because the delta is absolutely just Mount Everest. Just nice, Cam. Cam, you still short? I am all the way out.
Order submitted.
$96. Morning. 96. Yeah, let's see if they run it. It'll contage, right?
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
92,
Order submitted.
95,
Order submitted.
92, 89, 85, 96.50. I don't know nothing.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
92. Or 86. Tape is fast today. Go over 91 on the leg sweep.
Order canceled.
Okay, leg sweep out. Careful here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Should be closing this, but
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
there's a seller at 90.
Order canceled.
I need to get out. Come on. Get me out of this thing. It didn't contage. Contage died. Mm-hmm. Just be careful, because if you look at your 15-minute and your 5-minute, it's all still bullish, right? I understand it starts on the smaller time frames. I get it, but the larger time frame, it's the push pull. It's the actual fractal factor of which comes first, the trend or the micro push. Obviously, the push has to happen first, and then the trend is formed. But then the trend controls any sort of other. It's the observer method, the observer theory, where the people observing it through the trend could have skewed glasses on, right? Come on, push this thing, or tell me to sell. One or the other. I think the stops get ran at 96. I really, really do. Look, I really do. And not just because that's what I think, right? Okay, the 2-minute, the 15-minute, the 2-minute, the 5-minute, 15-minute are in perfect upward trajectory, if you ask me. And so this is sort of a pullback, right? Where they want you to just sneak in there on that RBI, right? They want you to take that pullback, right? Just so they can have your liquidity and just make you go, oh man. I know a guy that can help you come up with a plan to get the information that you need about your stops. I know a guy. So do you. You know a guy. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day, actually. Okay, get on the books. It's right now. It's 4 sessions for the price of 3, with all the material in between, all and total communication with me behind the scenes during the 4 sessions and after the session, the 4th session. All right. So what happens is every day everybody reports to me, and then they continue reporting to me through DM. That way I know exactly what they're doing. Right, guys? There it goes. Sorry, the link didn't come through. Oh, you got a 15-minute long. Look, we're in the right game anyway. Look at this. We're in the right game.
Order submitted.
Ooh, it gave us a bad fill. That's okay. Better than the actual engine.
Pink bar, 1-minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, alligator nuts. Here we go. 96. 98. And 0050. Come on. 96, 98 00s. Yeah, they got to get through this 96 though. Look at the delta. It's up to the decision, the delta and price. And remember, they run independent of each other, right? Because right now at 94, you got a guy selling heavy, right? So they have to incorporate, they have to absorb that guy first. They have to keep the imbalances at the bottom of the bar. There we go. Absorb him. Take him. Take him. He's heavy. Come on, buy it. Buy it straight through him. Watch your delta. What you want him to do it at the same time. Okay, 96. What you want to, Tyson? You want him to do it at the same time. See it? Hmm. Yeah, 96 hard. $94 seller. Let's see if they can smack him. He was there last time. Come on, get out of there. He's going to be a little more patient this time because he knows he saw 96. He's still there. He's still there. Need some imbalances on the bottom side of the bars. Come on. No.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
There we go. Leg sweep. Push. 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 It one ticked me. Come on, push. Come on, push. It one ticked me. Come on. I like the 1 minute. Come on. Come on. No, I don't like the 1 minute. I hate the 1 minute. I'm just kidding.
Target filled.
$98, 50, 09, and 13, right? Something like that.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, lots of buyers coming in. Let's see if they get paid or if they get snubbed.
Order submitted.
Okay, I've got a 99, 50, 0650. Completely sounds completely different though. In America, two different terms. Getting laid and getting blanked is that yeah, could mean two different things completely. It means Elijah has to work with my potty mouth, Robert. It's literally what it means. You look at the definition, it says Rev has a potty mouth, and Elijah has to hear it. Oh my God. Hey. Oh, wait, that's me. Okay, 99. Oh, 50. Come on. Whoa. Come on. The anticipation's killing me.
Order canceled.
Hey. Is that us? Did we get paid? Did we get laid? Oh. Wait. It's natural. My kids literally just they ad lib it out. I don't know how else to say it, but like I cuss to my kids, not at them, right? Because they don't really do anything wrong. And so I cuss to them like they're just regular people. And I'm like, wait a minute, I'm talking to a 15-year-old. Wait, I'm talking to a 9-year-old. Sorry, kids. We know, Dad. All right, guys. Did they get Trade Mobile fixed yet? Because it was not working earlier. Yeah, it's not cool, huh? Right? You kind of you want to say something, and then you're like, see, my kids don't even talk. My son doesn't even talk about that stuff around me because he knows. Here's the deal. He knows that I'm listening in every room, except for his room. Obviously, that's his privacy, right? But I'm listening in every room outside of his room, 100%. Even from right here, I can hear it. He's not at my house right now, but I can hear what's going on in the house right now. Are they trying to dump this thing down into the bottom of the pink? If I don't get a big green bar, if I don't get some 10 range bars here soon. There we go. Come on, climb. Hit that. Go. Oh, no, that didn't work. They need to get through 98. Ah, yes, the chopping block. Yes. Absolutely. Yep. I give him the look. Dad, why are you yelling at me? With your eyes. With your eyes. Okay, Dad. That's what the 9-year-old say. Okay, Dad. All right, someone wish upon a big green bar, please. Someone wish upon a big green bar, please. And thank you. T10075 on your 15-minute chart. T1 on your 2-minute chart. Oh, 650. Can we get some juice? Show me some love, please. Show me some love. Show me some love, Doc. Come on, Doc. All right, it's 6 minutes till the top of the hour, 11 a.m. 6 minutes, Slim Shady, you're on. Any questions? Are we having fun? I have a question for you. Are you having fun? See, here's the deal. If you're not having fun, you need a coach. If you're not having fun, you need a coach. Okay, trading, it should be boring, and you should be enjoying hanging out, making money, right? Or breaking even, or whatever it is for the day, right? To where you're not dependent upon, oh God, I got to do this. Oh, because that really doesn't work. I'm here to tell you, personal experience, that doesn't work. Ah, good, 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 Robert. Good, good. Kids need a little fear. You don't have to touch them, and you only got to yell at them once. What I learned. I have 4 children. For those of you that don't know, okay, I have 4 children. Almost 25, just turned 24, 15, and 9. What I learned is you have to pick your battles. If you're going to yell at them every time their room's dirty, okay, then what are you going to do when it's time to when yelling at them can save their life? What are you going to do? They're going to look at you like, yeah, whatever. My dad yells at me when my room's dirty. So what does it matter if they yell at me if they leave the house right now? You know what I mean? Like at 11:58 p.m. Like, who cares? So what I've learned, and I'm not saying I'm the best parent ever, right? I got flaws, but what I know is I've had to learn to pick my battles, and in picking my battles, I do believe I have saved some serious friction with my children. So take it for what it's worth. You know, I got 4 kids. Pick your battles, just like in life, right? You're gonna bitch about everything. You don't want to bitch about something specific, right? Take your pick. Whoa, Robert, let's get you there, buddy. Come on now. I think it's funny that everybody likes the poker chips. Nobody has said anything about it because everyone here knows how calming it is to just hear them clacking. See, that means all of you guys would be good at poker too, because you're good at lit trading, right? And your listening, right, is part of poker and trading. One of the skills that we have. We need Delta to keep going upwards. It looks like it's trying to roll here. Luckily, I'm down to the last 2 contracts of anything that I got. I would like a nice little Poppertino first, though, if we could, please. For the Lord. Now, anything above 85 is bullish on my end. Okay. This is how I see it. They're trying to lean into the bid a little bit here. Poke, poke, poke. All right, I have poked them for you. I need to poke them upwards, though. Deltas says down. Ugh, yuck. Bounce it. You go 93.50 and run upwards to like 99. I mean 08.50 so I can get up. Forty-five seconds to the top of the hour.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Give me 95. Give me 95. Break it. There's a seller at 94s.
Order
There we
filled.
go. There we go. Now out at 95 from 93. Little leg sweep there, guys. Little leg sweep. We're still alive on the 10 range. We're still alive on the 10 range there. 96. Wow, 96 paid. 90. Look at 97's up in there. Oh, hello. Oh, oh, oh. Hold on a minute here. Wait a minute. What do we got here? Holy, oh, let's go. Come on, 97.25, go. Not 95. Come on. Let's go higher, higher, and higher. Let it go higher. Oh, Elijah, you, my friend, are too smart. Oh, Elijah, Elijah, Elijah. You're right. I didn't look at the roll. It's trying to give me March. Um, how do you roll on? Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Does anyone know how to roll on mobile? Oh, no, on mobile though. Um, it doesn't. It doesn't give you the option to. It says everything but roll.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Sus. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm sus.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Mm.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, I see. Wait, I found it. So, let's see, where is it? Oh shit, how did I do it? I figured it out though. I did figure it out. Come on, push up. Oh, click on trade. I'm sorry, guys. Click on trade at the bottom. Okay, where it says trade on on your trade of 8. Click on trade. Okay, and then right where it says ES March. Okay, go all the way over to the left, to the right, and hit the search key, and then you'll be able to type, and then you'll be able to see June after you type in ES.
Pink bar, 2 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
delta ripping down.
Order submitted.
Pink bar, 5-minute chart.
Order submitted.
Big cluster at 73s, boys and girls, 73s. Big cluster at 73s.
Order submitted.
Five-minute, 5-minute and 2-minute have a 90-75 sell. Your 15-second just drew on liquidity perfectly in the FVG. 15-second, if I said 15-minute, I'm sorry, 15-second. Okay, 79.25 target. Come on. Decision.
Order filled.
All right, there's your leg sweep. If you guys got it, 90-75 was your leg sweep. You guys killed it, right? Oh, you had it on the 2-minute and the 5-minute chart.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order, order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Blue bar, 1-minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hmm. That's too bad. That is too bad. Well, it's going to be a one for three type of day. That's going to be all I'm going to do. Yeah, the drawdown in this, the trailing drawdown in this is going to get hit, unless this thing gets me out around 81. Come on, threes. How'd you guys like them shoes yesterday, huh? Those are some fire.
Order canceled.
You try to order those online right now. I guarantee you're going to pay a lot more than retail for those two shoes that I showed you. Yeah. All right, careful. You got a two-step going on, right? We've got a 15-minute fail. It failed to get over the O and O's. So now what do they do with it? Do they put some pressure on the buyers? You got your delta slipping. We're above V WAP. We're below V POC. Let me confirm that. Okay, we're just below it. Oh. If they don't break 82 right here, this thing's going straight up. Yeah, I got it.
Order filled.
I can't add because I don't have any margin in this account left in this eval. And I won't be trading anymore today if this eval blows or whatever, just for the fact that I did pass one, and I'm not gonna, I'm gonna go find something else to do today because today has been wicked, right? If we take a look at if we zoom out a little bit, I mean, what are they doing? All they're doing is trying to sweep the leg of the 15-minute long, right?
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
I want to see if the 2-minute sounds are coming through. I don't think they are. I'm gonna have to fix that. Last trade of the day for me. I was doing really good in all accounts, and now I'm only doing good. I only did good in one account. The other 2 accounts got smoked, chewed up. Kept trying to add into this stupid downturn here. All right, that's going to do it for me, everybody. I'll see you later. I'll see you over on X.